The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
Morning,
mode.
guys. Close that trade, shut it off. It's 8 o'clock. Guys, very good morning. Dennis, Ed, thank you. Audio is good. Terrific, terrific. I have run the bots this morning for a bit. Thank you, Deepak. There's the 8 o'clock bell. I have run the bots this morning. The trend bot is up 890 already this morning. The original bot is up 395. The original is only taken one trade. So this took this short here. That's it. It would currently be in a long, which I just closed as we opened the room. But it's okay. By most standards, 395 is a good day, fellas. Maybe not our standards, but by most people's standards, 395 would be a good day. The trend bot yesterday, for those of you guys that we closed the room yesterday with the trend bot up, I don't know, 2,300, something like that, 2,600. And this is where it finished yesterday, 42.75. So I continued to trade it. That's probably marked because, Apex is simulated. Try resetting. I don't know if you can reset that account. That's interesting. I'm not sure how to, I'm not sure. Is anybody having issues with Apex this morning? I've done a few trades. I haven't had any issues. I've done 2 trades, a small loser and a small winner. That's it. That's really all I've done. I haven't done much this morning. It's been kind of a slow trade. Usually 7 to 8 o'clock, we get a fairly nice move. Not so much this morning. I don't believe we have anything on the docket. Today is Wednesday. We do have crude inventory, but preliminary durable goods, capital goods, not 4-star news. Mortgage applications were way down. Big shocker there. In any event, guys, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Welcome back for day 3 for some of you, and for others, it's a continuation of last week's trial. We'll see what we get today. Let me read the disclaimer. Yeah, let's see how she does today. She's already up $900. That's a great day by most trader standards. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Hang on one second, guys. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Yeah, Kashkari is now on CNBC, guys, so if you're in trades, you may want to close them. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We have a very narrow range in the NASDAQ. This zone up here restricted us. This zone down here stopped us. Not much of a range right now on the NASDAQ. ES hasn't really, this is 240 minutes. So we're not really doing anything. We're flat. We're trading between daily resistance and daily support. But it does look like we are oversold, and I'll show it to you on other charts in a second. If this 10 o'clock candle closes below that trend line, we could get a decent little pullback. We're just sitting here, guys. I'm still short. I haven't closed it. All right. ES. Wow. We tagged the 200-day yesterday. Hourlies are short. We're getting a small bounce, but we're short. 10 minutes have been long. We are now pulling back into VWAP. NASDAQ's going to look similar. Here's NASDAQ. Hourlies are short. Kashkari says we all want to avoid a hard landing. If the NASDAQ gets a 10-minute close below the cloud, and we're not going to do it on this candle. Here comes a new 10-minute. Yeah, I mean, technically we're below the cloud. We're going to pull back to VWAP. Ideally, we catch this swing here at 53, and we can break down. YM was a nice short yesterday. Hourlies are short. This is the weekly on the YM. It's definitely short on the weekly. And 10 minutes are technically long. Crude. Busting out. CPI has to go higher. Gold. Busting the other way. This is a daily on gold. Here's a weekly on gold. Short weekly. I mean, if this candle closes here Friday, we're shorts, right? Below the cloud. Here's a monthly on gold. Let's see where the hell we're coming. Here's where gold is coming on the monthly. We do have monthly support at 1887. We're holding some monthly support here, right about where we're at. Hourlies are short. 10 minutes have been short all night. All right. Gold getting a small bounce on a 2-minute. Crude is longs. ES and NASDAQ just frozen because Kashkari is speaking. I'm going to close out this short, I think, here, fellas. Back above the point of control. 58.50. $735. That's our range. Not much of a range. What's the new payout method? You mean opposed to direct deposit, ACH? Something in addition to that? Yeah, I got an email last night. I didn't even read it. Let me know what it says. Anybody know what Apex's new payout method is? Because last month they did a direct deposit. Yeah, ACH. It's not new, Mark. That's what it was for the last pay period. Morning, Albert. Yeah, for all U.S. clients, WISE for international. Yep, thank you. That's what it was. Morning, Soph. I'm short, so I hope it goes down. I'm hoping. We're going to have to break below this 50 half support. We're holding some monthly support here. We've broken below it a few times, so. Morning, Anthony. Guys, as an update, I've got a number of you that will be with me on Saturday morning where I'm going to teach this scalping method that I have taught to the order flow class. Should make it to 35, which is where my final target is. I'm going to put this at 36, just above. This will drop down in a minute and 40 seconds. This may take me out. Let me do this. That's 2. I don't want to see this pop up above 45. All right, good enough for me. Bot's up 1,400. I find that with the instantly submit, Mark, does not happen on wait until finished. And the trend bot is up 1405. This is the area to go long, I think, guys. I'm long. Damn it, that was so quick. I'm long. Man, that thing ricocheted quick. Gonna have to get through 76. We're already through. There's an $800 trade, fellas. Oh, come on. Damn it. There's a $1,300 trade. I'll sell one. All right, I closed it order flow wise. We're into resistance here. Son of a bitch. Original is long. Original got target one. Trend is now long. I'm only interested in longs. Out on the trend or the original. God dang it. Chop, 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 chop. Chop. Break down into value area low. Come on. If it breaks down below here, we'll come into value area low. We held the buy zone on the bottom. Back up to 70 maybe. Small sellers just turned into buyers. God dang it. This choppy, choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. On the original, it's not going to hold. Don't care what it does. Shutting it off. Small sellers in here. Jesus. Try it again on the long side. It's just chop, fellas. With 1,800 buyers, it's all chop. Come on, do something. I'm done. I'm done trying to trade this, guys. I'm done trying to catch it on the bot. I'm done trying to trade it. There's no break. 1,800 buyers were going nowhere. It can't be short. Not with 1,800 buyers. It cannot be. There it goes. Nope, still won't go. Crazy. I don't know what that means, John. Well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. It can't be short with 2,000 net buyers. It cannot be. It cannot be. It cannot be. It's not. What I'm saying is it's not short. There it goes now. Fudging mother. Seriously. Bought one back. Bought two back. Flat. NASDAQ's going to flip short below 57. And we could come back down to 44. God dang. I'm going to try this long in a second. Too many buyers to be short. I'm going to take a long. I'm long here at 82. It's just chop. Straight chop. The only way this sells is we break below 60. Straight chop. With buyers. All kinds of buyers. Pushing this damn pivot, but I think we're going to see 820 today. Pretty quickly. Rat. Come on. Sold one. Sold two. I'm holding one. Come on, push. Flat. This is a grind in 3/4. Hang on, guys. I sold three. $100. Bullshit trade. 190, 200. There we go. $300. Bought one back. There we go. Here's a. All right, now we're flipping into shorts on the 2-minute. Bought two back. We're going to hit the top of the 2-minute cloud in a second here. All right, 1,800. I mean, these are dink and dunk trades. Dink and dunk trades. Two targets hit. All right. Now we're breaking out of that fair value area. $733 is a target. God, that was brutal. Hourlies are going to short at 29. There's a small area here, apparently. That's a little. There. This is nothing. That's nothing. There's nothing there. All right, got one off and it closed it. Nothing. $85 trade. I realize it's a counter trend trade, guys. 10-minute is getting blown up. Hourlies are coming down. And this could be a straight dump. But unfortunately now the short's below the low of the day. I can't short it down here. Yesterday's, we're struggling. I mean, it's worth a scalp short at 14 to try to run it to 66. It's fighting yesterday's close. 12 minutes to, I mean, it's 12 minutes to the next 15-minute bar. Couple hundred buyers in here. Nothing. I tried to get 14, but I missed it. I should have just hit sell market. Qs are at pre-market low. Next 10-minute bars in a couple of minutes. Gone back to a positive delta. I'm looking for a long again. We're holding this zone for a move back up to 44. Give me this candle close and I'll try the long. Got a double bottom on the 15-minute at the low of the day. On the close of this current candle in 10 minutes. But if I get a new 30 range here, I'm going to be long. Come on, we're above yesterday's low. Let's go. Have buyers. There it is. All right, I'm long. '28's resistance. 28. Got to get through 28. See if I can get two off at 29.5 on a pop through. Have buyers. We're back up to 700 on the positive delta. It's got to get through that 5-minute resistance here at 28. Right here. Got two gone. We popped it. Have two gone, holding one. Now I want to try to trade it back up to 41. Let's call it 39. 39. Got pretty close, 38, missed by 4 ticks. Back up to 1,000 net buyers. Got it. Target filled. Anybody take that long? Probably headed back to 56. Anybody take the long? Okay, fellas. guys see what we got here. Now I like SPY long to 428.50. I caught the longs. I didn't take profits. Caught it again here. Didn't take profits. Caught it again here. Didn't take profits. That's on me. I'm not using targets or trade protection. So it has to be on me. But this is a big short from up here. 68 down to 06. 62 handles. But I had no way of knowing. This is a long here. We're in a long. I'm going to buy 2. I bought 2. This should be a small long out of this zone. And if it doesn't hold the zone, then I'm wrong. But I'm willing to give them back a couple of bucks. I don't want this breaking down below 44 because this could start a rollover again. $54.75. If this breaks below 45, this could be a sell. It's got to hold that 45 area for me. Come on, get your keister up there. Let's go. I don't care if you give me $100. Let's go. Boom. I want 62 quarter. Let's call it 60 for target 1. Small buyers in here, 17, almost 1,800 net overall. Come on, give me 61. Target 1 filled. Boom. Kiss my grits, Mel. Kiss my grits. Let's go. We're fighting the 2-minute cloud, point of control. Now I want 78.5. I want value area high. So let's call it 75. I'll spot on the $60. Don't really care. Because I'm expecting a small rejection up there at 78.5. Who's long? Damn, I almost added into that trade too. Who's long? Marsha. That's why you're making all the dough, Marsha. Okay, James. We're pushing the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. We just need to break up above 67. There it is, 69. Boom. Here comes target, fellas. New candle, new 5-minute bar. We double topped here at the 5-minute. Got to get above 71.75. Take your money if you want it. The 2-minute cloud is kind of sticking us. But we have 2,400 net buyers. I'm not looking for shorts anymore. Flat. I'm flat, but I'm not looking for shorts, guys. We're fouling the 2-minute cloud, but we're going to squeeze higher. I'm telling you, we're going up. As soon as we clear the cloud at 780, I'd be interested in, overall longs to the high of the day again, and then a new day high. Let it chop. I don't care. Still like longs. I'll try it again down here. I don't think we're going to break much lower than this, so. If we do, they're going to have to hit it with a whole crap ton of sellers. We're flat. Don't get sucked into this short unless it breaks below 45. They're drawn shorts. I'm going to try it again long. I took 2 again. Unless it breaks below 45, it's not short. A couple hundred sellers in here. Need to get this up above 61 again. This double top on the 5 minutes kind of a pain. 156 sellers in here. 200 sellers. They're going to bring this right down. Unless it breaks 45, though, I've got to stay long, guys. $370 sellers. All right, you may get me on this. I'm going to add 2. I've got low risk here because I'll kill it at 45. So I added 2. And I'll take 2 off right up near VWAP, 57. So I added 2 at the bottom. Small buyers in here. No, we're going to lose it. It held it. Whoop. Come on, you dog. Don't you break it. More sellers. Flat. Flat. And it bounces. You scumbag. 44 is the break. If it breaks 44, it's going to move lower. Back down to 1500. James. Yeah. Going back up. Choppy session, guys. NASDAQ short on the 2-minute, but the stop is pretty big. Just FYI. It's short on the 2-minute, but it's a big stop. We're coming down, guys. We're coming back to probably yesterday's close at 15 would be my guess. We're going to have some support at 25. We could come to 88 if you guys. Look at the 10 minutes coming to 22. Ten minutes going to come to 22. There it is, 22 hit. And then if we break down, we're going to come 88. Hourlies are short, 10 minutes are short, 2 minutes are short. We're short, fellas. If this moves back up to 45, this is going to be resistance in here, right? This could go back to 50. 46, I think, is where it gets to. Right up in there. Value area low is moved down to 37.50, or up to 37.50, I should say. I shorted 2, fellas. I'm holding 2. I'm going to try to hold the, I mean, this may just jerk around and do absolutely nothing. But 15 should be, I would think, an obvious place to come, which was, yesterday's low. So let's get 17. If I can get 17. And we're into resistance here. Real stop is like 65. This could go back 50, 52. All right, so here comes that resistance at 47. Buyers just stepped in again on the 5-minute. This is how batshit crazy this market is. Buyers just stepped in again. Traded the VWAP, failed VWAP, which lines up with the top of that resistance. Come on down, turnover. Be cool if you did. We had 500 buyers come in. Let's see here, 36.75, 36.75. Just chop, guys. I'm still holding shorts. I added into it, so. If it breaks down here, there we go. I got 6 on. Took 2 off, have $4,000. There we go. 1,100. Come on, let's go, dog. Come on, dog. Bust it out. Bust it out. Bust it out. Bust it down. Come on, push here. Give me 15. 13. Got to break this support here. Took 2 off. I'm holding 2 again. There we go. Got your ass now. I'll buy 1 back. I got to believe this thing is over on funding. Here comes 15, just like I said. 34.90 funded. 1 day. That's a scalp trade. Well, it's maybe not a scalp trade because of the size of the trade, but crude's up 3%. Woo! Treasury yields going higher. The 5-year or the 2-year well over 5%. Buy. Buy. There's no long now. We probably trade down. Anybody hold that short? Anybody hold that short? All right, fellas. Now you're going to trade this down. Look, we got buyers pushed it back up to the top of that area, right? I don't make these levels up. And they hit them. The sellers came right back in and just blasted them. Now we're holding this, but that's not going to hold. I'm telling you, it's not going to hold. We're going to trade down to 666. 666. If anybody's sure, I'm out. I cleared another evaluation. If anybody's holding shorts, hold them. Shut that off. I'll be right back. 66 is where it's coming. It may take a while to get there, but that's where it's coming. Holding this zone still. Come on. I bought 2 back. I'm holding 3. I'll buy 1. I'm holding 2. And look, we held exactly on the bottom. Next 15-minute bar in a minute and a half. I think that'll do it. If we break below 66, this is an annihilation. 66 is yesterday's low. I've got buyers again. Come on. Left 5 at the top of this candle. I got a 161 buyer, guys, at 0675. Should get to 18. Come on. This could come back to 94. Small sellers in here, 53, 50, 60, 57. Mixed buyers and sellers in here, buying them back, down to 35, 40, 40, down to 30. Back to 43, 46, 50. Sellers are trying to press them here, but here's the new 5-minute bar. Come on, let's go, dog. I'll add into this at 94. May not get that chance. Come on, give me a clean 30 range and go. Brand new 30 range candle and go. $98.75. So I need 7.5 from there. About 6.5. Come on. Come on. A little bit lower, so 96.25. 03 half, 0375 maybe for a new candle. There it is. That's target. A little bit of resistance here at 12. You can take some off. Took 2 off at 12 and then 27 next. 27 for the final. So let's call it 25. Final target there for me, if I can get it. I have buyers. Last trade of the day here, fellas. Come on, 25. Go big or go home, buddy. Just pushing this probably on the next 2-minute bar. We're pushing yesterday's close, so we're back flat on the day. Come on, get through yesterday's close. Give me 25. Come on. Come on. Bulk up. Bulk up. Needs a Red Bull, fellas. Got a minute to the next 3-minute bar. Okay, we're above resistance. Just need to break above that little swing. There's 20. Come on, 25. Oh, you stink face. 25. 25. Anybody hold that trade? Next target will be 40. Anybody hold it? Anybody take it? All right, guys. Okay, fellas. I think you get 40 next. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud. All right, guys. I certainly crow when the bots do well. I will obviously post this video as well with the trend bot down 5,900. Got chopped up early, largely operator error. Yeah, the original bot did 945. Ironically, the original bot was down yesterday, $400. But nonetheless, the trend bot, I got chewed up. And I'm going to be very frank. I got chewed up on the trend bot largely out of arrogance. Instead of taking profits, I was looking for what I saw as a bigger move. And on at least 3 of the trades, I took nothing off. That is my fault. And it comes down to arrogance. That's all it comes down to. So in any event, the original bot, if you guys are here on trial, far more conservative. As I've said before, it's going to be a more conservative. Yeah, you too, Nolan. It's going to be a more conservative profit. It's going to be a more conservative loss. But again, to be clear, on the trend bot, it was arrogance on my part. So be that as it may. Guys, I will see everybody